Samsung Galaxy S25 versus Huawei Mate 70. When it comes to size, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is more compact at 146.9 millimeters in length compared to the Huawei Mate 70, which stretches to 160.9 millimeters. This makes the S25 a better choice for those who prefer a more pocket-friendly device. Weighing in at just 162 grams, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is significantly lighter than the Huawei Mate 70, which tips the scales at 203 grams. If portability is key for you, the S25 takes the crown here. The Huawei Mate 70 boasts a larger 6.7-inch display, providing a more immersive viewing experience compared to the Samsung Galaxy S25's 6.2-inch screen. For media consumption, the Mate 70 offers a noticeable advantage. In the camera department, the Huawei Mate 70 shines with its versatile setup, featuring a 50-megapixel main lens with a variable aperture and a powerful 5x optical zoom. The Samsung Galaxy S25, while impressive with its 50-megapixel wide lens and dual telephoto options, doesn't quite match the Mate 70's optical prowess. Storage options are abundant, with the Huawei Mate 70 offering up to 1 terabyte of internal memory, making it ideal for heavy users. In comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S25 maxes out at 512 gigabytes. If you need space, the Mate 70 is the clear winner. The Huawei Mate 70 also takes the lead in resolution, delivering a stunning 1216 by 266 and 88 pixels for sharper visuals, while the Samsung Galaxy S25 offers a respectable 1080 by 2340 pixels. For those who prioritize clarity, the Mate 70 is the better choice. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S25 uses a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-notch performance. On the other hand, the Huawei Mate 70's Kirin 910 is efficient but may not quite match the raw power of its competitor in high-demand scenarios. When it comes to battery life, the Huawei Mate 70 stands out with a robust 5300 mAh battery, promising longer usage without the need for frequent charging. The Samsung Galaxy S25, with its 4000 mAh battery, may require more regular top-ups. For selfies, the Samsung Galaxy S25 features a 12-megapixel camera, while the Huawei Mate 70 ups the ante with a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens. If you love group selfies or expansive backgrounds, the Mate 70 is the better option. Both devices sport premium builds, but the Samsung Galaxy S25 features Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for enhanced durability, while the Huawei Mate 70's aluminum alloy frame adds a touch of elegance. The S25 may offer better scratch resistance. In terms of water and dust resistance, the Huawei Mate 70 excels with an IP68 IP69 rating, allowing for submersion up to 4 meters, compared to the Samsung Galaxy S25's 1.5 meters. For adventurers, the Mate 70 is the safer bet. The Samsung Galaxy S25's Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset is designed for high performance, while the Huawei Mate 70's Kirin 910 is efficient for daily tasks. Gamers and power users may prefer the S25 for its superior processing capabilities. Both devices feature stunning displays, but the Samsung Galaxy S25's dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X offers a peak brightness of 2600 nits, slightly edging out the Mate 70's 2500 nits. For outdoor use, the S25 may perform better. The Samsung Galaxy S25 includes an always-on display feature, enhancing usability. Meanwhile, the Huawei Mate 70's adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz provides a smoother experience. Both have unique strengths, depending on user preference. When it comes to video recording, the Samsung Galaxy S25 supports 8K resolution, while the Huawei Mate 70 offers solid 4K capabilities. For videographers seeking the highest quality, the S25 is the clear choice. The Samsung Galaxy S25 is packed with features like Google Gemini and Knox Vault, making it a powerhouse for productivity and security. The Huawei Mate 70, with its AI assistant and gaming optimizations, caters to a different audience, but is no less impressive. Pricing is also a factor. The Samsung Galaxy S25 starts at $800, while the Huawei Mate 70 ranges from $760 to $960. Depending on budget and features desired, both offer compelling options.